Good morning. In this class, I will do sums of exercise 6.2. Number 1. Given that AB and CD are two lines intersected by a transversal. And here, two angles are given 50 and 130. From this, we are to find X and Y. Then, we say whether AB is parallel to CD. You read the question from book, then you draw, then look at the watch the video. Here 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are linear pair. So 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 50, 130 degree. Again, y is equal to 130. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angle. So we find that x is equal to 130 and y is equal to 130. But they are alternate interior angles. So by the theorem, we can say that if one pair of alternate interior angles equal, then the two lines are parallel. So AB is parallel to CD. This is the first question. Very easy. You can understand easily. Next question, you read from the book. Here given that AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. Look from the book. AB parallel to CD, CD parallel to EF. And ratio of Y and Z is 3:7. We are to find X is equal to what? Now solution. Since AB parallel to, given that AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF, so AB is parallel to EF because lines parallel to the same line parallel to one. AB parallel to CD and EF parallel to CD. So AB and EF both parallel to CD. So AB and EF parallel. And this is the transversal. Therefore, X is equal to Z. Since AB parallel to EF and this is the transversal, so X is equal to Z because they are alternate interior angle. Now given that the ratio of Y and Z is equal to 3:7, let Y is equal to 3A and Z is equal to 7A. We already proved that X is equal to Z, so we can write X is equal to 7A. Now from the figure you see that there is another theorem that if AB parallel to CD and the sum of the interior angle of the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. So we can write X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 7A and Y is equal to 3A. 7A plus 3A is equal to 180 degree. 7A plus 3A, 10A. 10A is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, A is equal to 180 degree divided by 10. So we find that A is equal to 1/8. That is 18. Now X is equal to 7A and we find A is equal to 18 degree. Therefore X is equal to 7 into 8. This is, we find 7 into 18, 126 degree. You see here X plus Y is equal to 180. X is equal to 7A. Y is equal to 3A, 180 degree. 10A is equal to 180 degree. A is equal to 180 divided by 10, 18 degree. Therefore X is equal to 7A A is equal to 18, 7 into 18, 126 degree. Next question, question number 3. You look from the book. This question number 3. Given that AB parallel to CD, EF parallel to EF perpendicular to CD, given, and ZED is equal to ZED, this angle, ZED this angle is equal to 126 degree. We have to find angle AZE. Given AB parallel to CD, EF perpendicular to CD, ZED is equal to 126 degree. ZED is equal to 126 degree. We have to find angle AZE, ZEF and FZE. Now you see this, AB is parallel to CD and ZE is the transversal. You see, ZE is the transversal. Therefore, AZE, this angle, is equal to total this angle. That is, AZE is equal to ZED. So, given that ZED is equal to 126 degree, ZED is given 126 degree. This is 126 degree. So, AZE also 126. Why they are equal? They are alternate interior angle. See, this is the transversal and this AEB parallel to CD and ZE is the transversal. So AZE is equal to ZED. Since ZED is equal to 126 degree, therefore AZE is also 126 degree. Next, what we have to find? ZEF. ZED is equal to 126 degree and EF perpendicular to CD, so this angle is equal to 90 degree. We find ZEF by subtracting EFD from ZED. So we write ZEF is equal to ZED minus FED. ZED, the value of ZED 126 and EFED is equal to 90 degree. So 126 minus 90, this is 30. ZEF is equal to 36 degree. See, we write here ZEF FED is equal to 90 degree. Since EF is perpendicular to CD, ZEF plus FED is equal to ZED. So ZEF plus 90 is equal to 126 degree. ZEF is equal to 126 minus 90, 36 degree. Next question, FZE. This angle we have to find FZE. Since this is linear pair, so FZE plus AZE is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. Therefore, FZE is equal to AZE is equal to 126 degree. 126 degree. Therefore, FZE is equal to 180 minus 126 degree. This is 54 degree. Understand? You see, look here. AZE plus FZE is equal to 180 degree. This is because linear pair. AZE is equal to 126 degree and FZE is equal to 180 degree. FZE is equal to 180 minus 126 degree, 54 degree. So we get three angles. AZE is equal to 126 degree, ZEF is equal to 36 degree and FZE is equal to 54 degree. This is the answers. Thank you.